some idiots. Let's give it to them. Yeah, let's give it to them. Ready? Are you ready?
What are we doing?
We're doing the welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel. Good morning.
Welcome back to the man in the machine. Welcome back to the channel. Look at my voice. It's that morning voice, the crisp morning voice, waiting on the crew to actually show up for this car event. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it the welcome. Alright, once again we meet before the meet. And now we got Aluso in the squad for a minute. YouTube, that was a love tap. That was not any aggressive.
The rest of it was,
hey baby. Hey baby, how you doing? AMG GT3RS, the SV. I think that's my favorite here. GT3, Lusso, Kisser, American Khalifa, dancing, Taylor, GT3. Oh my gosh. Did you see that fucking eye you gave me? You gave me the stink eye. What? Werner against GT3. Dinosaurs.
powered by dinosaurs.
Oh my bad, my bad. Powered by dinosaurs. We're gonna put our tag on the link. Ferrari, Scud, GT3RS, Justin, green spot. Me, GT3RS, GT3, and then another squad. We about to hit up this meet of the meet.
Yeah.
We'll do it. He's ready. We're ready. Justin's ready.
Traffic laws at
all the time. Let's go. Yeah, give me a startup.
I like that idea.
How you doing? I got a little bit of a K-band up there. I don't know. We be all right. This is gonna be epic. Pulling up. Maybe we got some fans, maybe. I see Cars Across Texas over there. Cars Across Texas! What's up?
Looking good.
Bring in the squad!
Make sure you drop him a sub, drop him a follow, do all that.
You're the
right?
man.
The machine.
Yes, likewise. Do the same with this guy, Cars Across Texas.
About the boys.
About the boys! All right, we're here at the WM Luxury event hosted by Team Savage, and the turnout actually has proven to be another good one. This is number 2 apparently, but I didn't make the first one. For the second one, I figured I'd show up since I'm in town and see what it's all about. They do have a hypercar, but pulled up a squad, as you saw earlier, and we got lined up together. As you can see here, one of the things that, well, I'll walk you through in a minute, is that outside of us being lined up together, they have designated sections for cars. They have designated the Audi group, BMW. Well, actually, I haven't seen any BMWs. That's one interesting fact about this meet. No BMWs here. Let's see if I can find one in this video. We got Porsches, Audis, Lambos, Ferraris, McLarens, muscle cars, and as well the hypercar. Let's go check it out. Getting me in action over here. Man of the machine. Crane Designs. Oh, this guy. He makes better video than I do. I need to hire him full time. Can I hire him full time? So I lied. I found some. It's not loud enough.
No?
How you doing, man? You good? I'm still working on that hat. I'm still getting you that blue, no, the yellow hat. Gotta get the content all the time, Garrett. Gotta get
awesome.
Gotta get the content.
Go out that way and do the little drive-by for us so we can hear you. Yeah, all right, cool.
Yeah. I just want to hear it up close.
Yeah.
I'm off. This is my boy. It's gonna become my best friend eventually. Yeah, my boy. It's gonna become my best friend eventually. Crane Designs. I'm gonna help him as much as I can to be as successful as he should be.
You're already helping a lot. What are you doing? You know?
Love you guys.
Love you, man.
Be good. All right, finishing up the meet. Will, the man. Also another one of my boys. I love this guy. I might have to steal, not steal, but beg and barter and request a photo from this guy because I didn't get a thumbnail for this video.
Oh, you didn't get
No.
I'll get a thumbnail for you.
So we're gonna follow this guy because he's always providing the best thumbnails.
What do you want a thumbnail of?
Huh?
What do you want a thumbnail of?
Of the meet. Something. Oh, yeah, Pagani maybe? Wait, you got the Pagani right?
Yeah, I did.
All right, perfect.
There's some ropes around it, but it's fine.
That's fine. I'll take the ropes. We got to put the Pagani on the picture because that's the only way.
It's a picture of the crash.
That was it. But I will just reference the channels that will have the crash because there was a crash. I didn't catch it. I was talking to people.
Cars Across Texas is going to have it.
Cars Across Texas is going to have it. So I'm going to link that video in that top corner up there. I'm learning this YouTube stuff. But we're off.
There's the thumbnail.
Wrapping up this video. Lots of craziness, lots of action. Hypercar, Pagani, my dream car, showed up. And my squad rolled up this morning. The people that I love to roll with, they showed up at the Starbucks. and we rolled together, had a little fun on the roadways. And all in all, a good day. There was one incident, which I think I called out earlier, that happened with a Charger, I think. And I didn't catch it on video. I was gonna run over and get the aftermath, but I'd rather just link a video that will have that for you. So up in the corner, I'll put Cars Across Texas, because I have no doubt he got that on film. And thank you to WM and Team Savage for letting us stop by. But follow, like, subscribe, hit the notifications button, and show some love and support, because we just want to bring it for you, bring some fun. We out!
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.